Korean Grammar Episode 1 When and How to Use 은, 는. 은, 는 are used to indicate the topic or the subject of a sentence. In Korean, particles play a vital role in sentence structure. They help us understand the relationships between words in a sentence. For example, 제 이름은 미아예요. My name is Mia. 저는 선생님이에요. I'm a teacher. Notice that 은 is used after 이름, which means name, and 는 is used after 저, which means I, indicating the subject of the sentence. So, when do we use 은 and when do we use 는? Well, it depends on the noun that precedes them. If the noun ends in a final consonant, we use 은. If the noun ends in a vowel, we use 는. Example, here are some words that end in a final consonant. 이름은, name is. 하늘은, sky is. 책상은, desk is. 꽃은, flower is. 병원은, hospital is. 는 is used if the noun subject ends in a vowel. Here are some words that end in a vowel. 저는, I am. 커피는, coffee is. 의자는, chair is. 나무는, tree is. 자동차는, car is. Now let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you fill in the blank with the correct particle 은 or 는. 제 친구는 학생입니다. My friend is a student. 강아지는 귀엽습니다. The dog is cute. 커피는 맛있어요. The coffee tastes good. 여름은 더워요. Summer is hot. 그 책은 재미있어요. That book is interesting. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching. 다음에 또 봐요. See you next time.